Howdy Rockhounds, in today's experiment we're going to put OxiClean to the test to see if it can clean rocks and minerals. Look at that dirty thing. I read some mixed comments online, so I wanted to see if it was yay, meh, or nope. So whether you want to clean your rocks for display, rock tumbling, lapidary, jewelry making, this could be a budget-friendly DIY method. Stick around to see the results. Woo! Rock on! For this experiment, we're using OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover. Why this one, you ask? Well, the powder formula allows us to control the cleaning strength. You can see on the instructions back here. And its gentle oxidizing action works well on organic stains like dirt, algae, and moss. Look at that. It even says other things that it works on. Grout, patio, upholstery, carpet. Who knew? I mean, after all, it says it has, where did it go? There it is, over 101 ways to use. Maybe it'll be a 102 after we get done with these rocks. Look at how dirty they are. Ew, we got geodes and jaspers, agates. Oh, wow. Look at that. Dirt, 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 dirt. Got the scrub brush, got the bowl. Got the water. It's perfect for cleaning hard, non-porous rocks without harsh chemicals like bleach. So let's mix up the solution and see how it works on our rocks. Woohoo! Following the directions here, it says to do a pre-soak for best results on tough stains. Yeah, we definitely got some tough stains. Look at this geode. It's a hot mess. We've got another one here. Yeah, look at that in there, right there, that white stuff. I don't know what that is. Just call it dirt. So we're going to do a pre-soak. I'm just going to use regular water temperature, but it does say down here in yellow when we do mix up the solution that to make sure it's dissolved in the warmest water possible. So I will be doing that step later. So let's go ahead and load this up for pre-soak. Yeah, it's not just about making cookies anymore. We're now going to make rocks clean. Oh God, look at the dirt already. All right, we'll let that soak for an hour. These have been soaking for a little over an hour now. Yeah, let's take them out. So here's what they look like after a pre-soak. Look at that chalcedony. Look at this. Wow. Still got some grime in there though. Yeah, look at that. Wow. All right, let's get this going in the OxiClean. We have our warm water here at 60 ounces, which is just a little less than half a gallon. Yes, I had to Google that. And in the instructions, it says to use the scoop in here, line level to 2 to 4 for a gallon. Well, I really want to get these rocks clean, so I'm actually going to follow this and pretend like I have a gallon of water. So, here we go. Now it's time to scoop it. And I don't know that this is going to show up on there, but there's a 2 right here, and then there's a 3 way up here. There's no way you're going to be able to see this. I can barely see it. And then the 4 is just a faint line just below this lip. I'm going to do in the middle. I'm not going to get too scientific about this. There you go. About half a scoop, right? Ish. Got to make sure that it's dissolved. I'll use my fingers. Dissolve, dissolve. I can feel it. I'm using gloves, by the way, because just to keep my hands clean. This isn't like you're working with acid or anything. But read the directions on there for safety. Sudsing up nice. Now we're going to put the rocks in. Bye. Quartz. Got all kinds in here. Make sure they're covered up really well. And we'll see you in 2 hours. Woohoo! Look at the foam action. This is literally seconds after I got done putting them in there. I put this in a clear bowl on purpose so that I could hopefully show you what it's doing. Do you see the bubble action there? Do you see that? Now that's cool. Get clean, get clean. You seeing it? Let's look on here. Here's one of the geodes. That's pretty cool. It's like Alka-Seltzer. If you're finding this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you'd smash that like button, either with your rock hammer, just your computer mouse, or your finger. Anyway, let me know also if you have a preferred way to clean rocks that I haven't heard about, or even just one that's common. I'd love to hear it. Rock on! It's been a couple of hours and we're gonna scrub these because you can see there's still algae, mildew on here. We've got a geode. Look at that though. I don't know. The true test is when it's dry. Went and got my wire brush. It's basically the same. Hard plastic, but yeah, this is gonna be better. Let's see. Let's just face it, it's not gonna get all of it off. Wow, look at this big boy. One of my favorite rocks. Look at that. Jasper agate. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I still found this. This is incredible. Look at that water. Let's ease off. Water still looks dirty. There, now the water's cleaner. Ooh. Oh, I hadn't noticed that before. Wow. Now it's time to dry them off. Let's let these air dry. Shouldn't take too long. It's about 70 degrees, even in February. Oh, look. Hey, Theo. Theo. Hi, Theo. You want to make your cameo on the internet? Theo, come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Aw, you don't have to be shy. Come here. Come here. Aw, you're so cute. This is our daughter. Whoa, you're sideways. Shake. Wait. Stop. Sit. Shake. Hi, Theo. This is our daughter's dog that we're watching. What are you doing? Huh? I'm trying to make a video. Hey, go. 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 So after all that soaking and scrubbing, what do I think about the OxiClean as a rock cleaning agent? I think it's pretty darn good for removing surface dirt, that's for sure. But stuff like this where you've got iron staining, yeah, didn't do anything. And it didn't really do anything for this algae on here. What little came off was with that wire brush, as you probably saw. Oh, wow, look at that. Cool, cool. As you can see from the geodes, you know, there's still a lot of discoloration. I do think that these geodes are supposed to be that color. At least that one maybe, but I'm not sure about that one because I have seen other people use iron out to get these crystals cleaned up even better, especially like, look at this one. That one's pretty dirty. It still looks cool, but I don't know. Yeah, all different kinds of colors. So I actually found these, by the way, at the Hauser Geode Beds about a year ago. Pretty darn cool. And then these jaspers, you know, they cleaned up pretty good, but I think jasper's pretty easy to clean up. This is probably, I don't know if this is ocean jasper. So these rocks definitely cleaned up pretty good because they're already smooth from the beach. And these quartz rocks, yeah, they got a lot of rough on them. So pretty much probably already stained. Not going to get much cleaner. This one definitely cleaned up. Yeah, looks cool. Looks cool. Oh, and I forgot to mention, while OxiClean seemed to be pretty darn good at removing the surface dirt, they have other products that can actually remove mildew and algae smells and things like that. So you might want to check them out. There's like Max Force Gel, there's odor blasters, they have a laundry detergent. And remember, stick to hard rocks like these, jaspers, agates, geodes, although to do the inside. Don't do anything like this, like a sandstone type rock. Obviously dissolve it. Rock on!